Hello guys. Okay, we're going to be looking at NZDUSD today, dated of January 2024. All right, so we can actually see a QMC from the H4 time frame, right? So this is the high, this is the high, this is the low, this is the lower low, and then we have the higher high. So we are expecting price to come to this point where we look for our smart entry on the lower time frame for us to go back bullish. So this is the point where we want price to get here. Once the price gets here, then we'll be looking for selling opportunities on NZD USD. But for now, we remain buy bias, all right? So we're going to be buying GPB US, we're going to be buying NZD USD when price made mistakes. I repeat, when price made mistakes to come back to this point of the QMC left shoulder. This is where we are going to be looking for our entering, smart entering to make money, to make free money. All right. So before then, what is giving me confidence that, oh, we're going to make smart money, free money on this setup is that we have a QMC. Also, guys, I told you that when the market is moving in a downtrend, you know, the market started moving in a downtrend, creating characteristics of lower high, lower low, all right, until the Dow theory was breached, right? When this Dow theory was breached, what happened? When the Dow theory breached, we have a QMC. Let me show you guys. When the Dow theory breached, what happened? The market created a QM arrow, right? And let me mark it. This is a QM arrow here. So let's go back to candlestick chart. So if you look at this QM arrow, let me show you. This is a low here. This is a high. This is a higher high, guys. And this is a lower low. So we mark here and we expect price to come and give us, to come and pick from the left shoulder to form the right shoulder to go back up bullish, right? So now let me show you. We're going to mark, let me clear this chart. We're going to mark our box from the left shoulder here. We extend. Guys, this is where the market come down, reacted from the left shoulder, and then shoot, boom, over how many pips? Oh, this is NZD, NZD, right? Is it 59 pips, hit 59 pips. So like I told you in my previous videos on my Telegram channel, PureForeX _247, I told you that a QMC happened when a QM arrow has occurred, or when the occurrence of, after the occurrence of a QM arrow. QMC occurs after the occurrence of QM arrow, or QMC happen after the occurrence of QM arrow. Also, most time QMC happen after a trend reversal, because most time price will reverse and will not give us a QM arrow. But as the price change from a particular direction to another direction, the price may give us a QMC. But in this example, price first of all give us a QM arrow, which is this one that we just marked. So we're gonna delete because the QM arrow has already played, right? So now we have a QMC. QMC means trend continuation. QMC is telling us that this setup is likely, this trend is likely to continue going up. All right, so this is our expectation. Also, we're going to be looking for our, don't forget, when you find a setup, don't forget to look for confirmation. So we find this setup on H4 time frame. So we're going to be looking for confirmation on the higher time frame. So our higher time frame is higher time frame of confirmation is going to be daily or weekly time frame. Like I said, that when you have a setup on M15, then your time frame of confirmation is going to be M30H1. You go to higher time frame above the time frame you find a setup, right? When you find a setup on M30, we're going to be using H1 Yeah, MTT H1, H4 to look for confirmation. If you find a setup on H1, we're going to be looking for H4 daily for confirmation. So in this example, or in this wise, or in this opportunity that NZDUSD has presented on the chart, this setup is coming from the H4 time frame, as you can see. So we're going to be looking for our confirmation from the daily time frame. So when we didn't find a confirmation from the daily time frame, we can also move to the weekly time frame to look for our confirmation. So confirmation is what gives us confidence that, okay, when price made mistake to come here, we're going to short. All right. So let's go to the daily time frame. So this is the daily time frame. What can you see, guys? This is the daily time frame. So I'm seeing a bullish engulfing as confirmation, right? Let me mark it. This is a bullish engulfing as confirmation. So when this happens, this is our confirmation, right? Bullish engulfing. So this is the only reasons that it's going to give us more confidence for us to buy NZD USD. All right. So let's go back to the H4 time frame where we found our setup. So H4 time frame, we're going to be waiting patiently for price to come to this area where we look for opportunity to buy. So this is what we are expecting on NZD USD today, 30th of January, 2024. All right. So guys, let's wait. I'm going to give you updates on this trade. All right. So I've already shared this setup on my personal group. So this is what we are going to be looking at. So if this setup play out beautifully, I'm going to show you the setup, the respected, I'm going to show you as well. All right. Because we can't be right all the time, but at least we are always getting it right most of the time, which make us our profitable trader. All right. So this is what we should be looking at on NZD USD. I'm going to give you the update. So stay tuned, guys. Catch you in the updates.
2,000 years later.
All right, guys. So this is the update on NZD USD. So remember, we spot a Quasimodo continuation early this morning. Today is 30th of January 2024. All right, today is Tuesday. Okay, so we spot a QMC, and we said that we want market to come to this point where we expect market to come and form the left shoulder, the right shoulder at the top touch of the trend line of the QMC, also aligned with the left shoulder of the QMC, where we'll be looking for opportunities in the lower time frame for us to buy NZD USD. This is H4 time frame, guys. So, and the market finally come to this area at the top touch of the trend line, also in line with the left shoulder. So we look for entering opportunities in the lower time frame. So right now I'm in deep profit, right? Though I've taken my partials, then I allowed some 2 positions to run to my TP. This is where I'm going to take my final TP. This is where this area I put my line is where I'm going to take my final TP. All right. So this is how to spot a setup. So easy. If you understand Fantastic 5 setup is so easy to spot. All right, let me show you the trade on my channel. So this is the trade, guys. So yeah, so this is the trade. It's running. So I'll be expecting this price to run to my TP, where the market will finally close me in profit, but I'm in break even, right? So I have nothing to fear about. All right. So guys, this is how to spot a setup. So easy. You wait for market to come to where you want the market to come, either for sell or for buy. Then you enter your trade without fear or favor, right? So remember, I told you that we are gonna be expecting this price to come to this level. So when the market finally get to this level, we'll be looking for selling opportunity to go back down bearish, because we have a setup already on daily time frame on NZD USD. So we will be looking to sell. So that is why we were so confident to take this Quasimodo continuation. So price will definitely go up. So in case price did not get to this point, it's fine. At least we are able to capitalize on this particular setup. All right. So this is how to spot this setup so easy. We are price action trader. I'm a price action sharpshooter. Shout out to my mentor, Nara Karim, who has bestowed this knowledge on me. So guys, I believe you are going to learn a lot from my analysis from this video and be able to spot opportunities in the market and make money for yourself. All right. So I'm going to maybe drop update where the market finally got to TP. All right. So see you guys. Peace.